MongoDB logical operators. There are 4 logical operators: 1, 2, 3 and 4. First is AND, second is OR, NOR and NOT. We are already completed AND and OR. Now we are going to learn what is NOR. N-O-R, NOR, the third one. Okay. The syntax. Actually what the NOR does is that it negates all the conditions, negates whatever the condition you give for the query will be negated, and all the record that does not matches this condition will be displayed. Now in this case the syntax for NOR is curly bracket open, curly bracket closes here, then we have NOR colon, dollar NOR colon. Here is the box bracket completes here. Then we have expression 1, expression 2, expression 3 and so on. We can have n number of expressions or conditions. All the conditions or expressions are separated by comma. So last time we have completed AND and OR. Now let's understand what is NOR. N-O-R, NOR. When all the condition fails, when all the queries fails, right? That's called NOR. The condition becomes true. Example, let's go to the notepad. Find, instead of OR I'll say NOR. So the first condition here is age is less than 30. So the condition is age is greater than 30. In that case, not. That means not of this. Not the age is greater than 30. Nor age is less than this. And the department number is 40 here. So now here the department number may be other than 40. Okay. And here the salary is equal to 3000. The salary may be greater than, not equal to 30 means not equivalent to 30. Here it is equal to 30, it will be not equivalent to 30. That means the opposite of all these conditions is equivalent to, is called NOR. NOR less than, age is less than 30, nor the department number is equal to 40, nor the salary is equivalent to 3000. That means opposite of all these query or conditions. Okay, and it will display the name, age, department number and salary. So let's see. We copy this as it is. Copy. Go to the shell, right click. It's not copied properly. Go there, right click. Copy. We'll paste it and press enter. Now this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 records has been displayed. Previously there were many records in OR condition. Now in these 3 conditions, let's see. Now department number is 20, but actually the department number was equal to 40, so not equivalent to 40. So department is not equal to 40. Again the salary is not equivalent to 3000, correct? And this age is not equivalent to, not less than 30. That is, now it is greater than 35. Sorry, greater than 30. Now let's see here. Second, department number is 10. That means department number is not equivalent to 40 now. The opposite of this one, this particular condition. Then what about salary? The salary is equal to 3000, but now it is opposite of not equal to, that means not equal to 3000. That means maybe 4000. Okay, and the age should be less than 30. Now here the age is 45. So the opposite of all those 3 conditions is called NOR. Okay, the opposite of all the conditions here is called NOR. Now let's take one more. Here department number equal to 30. Here department number should be 40, equal to 40, right? So it is 30 here. Again salary is 4000 and the age is 35, correct? So here the opposite of age. The age is 30, less than 30. Now it is showing more than 30, greater than 30, you can say in this case. Let's go to the notepad and make some changes. Say equal to 30 here, okay, and we say less than, say 28, and here we'll say 4000. So now what we said is that age should be less than 28. That means not of that, means it can be age should be greater than 28. Any age that is greater than 28 will do, because nor means not of all those conditions, right? Again, department number is 30, equal to 30, right? That means any other department will do. That means 40, 10, 20 and so on, but not 30. Again, salary must be equal to 4000, but it is not equal to 4000, means equal to 4000 here. That means other than 4000, whatever figure is there for the salary will be displayed, okay. And here this age is less than 28. That means other than less than 28, that means 28, 9 onwards, any number will be accepted. So nor means not this, not this and not this, not of all this condition, we say that nor, okay. And it will display name, age, department number and the salary. Let's copy this, Control C, Alt Tab, right click, press enter. So now there are many records. Let's see it. So now we have said department number is equal to 30. So where's the department number? Department number is 20 in this case, okay. And salary is 5000, not 4000, and age is greater than 35, okay. Now there will not be any department 30 here. As you can see, equal to 30, we want to negate this condition, okay. So all 10 is there, 20 is there, 40 is there, but no 30s. Again, when you say department, when you say salary equivalent to 4000, so there will be no 4000. Other than 4000, all the salaries will be there, 5000, 6000, 3000, right? But there will be no 4000. Again, age equal to, age is less than 28, but that means to negate this condition should be greater than 28. So greater than 28 means 35, 37, 28. See, less than 28 means 27, up to 27. But if it's less than, equal to is not given, so here it is 28 is displayed, age 28, okay. And here age 31, age 37, 36, 37, 13, 29, okay. So all these ages does not matches this particular condition. So with all the records we shown here does not matches this condition, face this particular query, okay. That's why we call it as nor of all this condition, not of all these conditions, okay. Thanks for watching this video.